How to unblock Instagram on school Chromebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unblock Instagram on school Chromebook. So let's get started. So you can do it safely and easily, whether it's for research, creativity, or just staying connected. So here are 6 simple methods to try. First thing is using a VPN over here. So what you can do is simply head over to your Chrome extensions, click on manage extensions, and over here go to Chrome Web Store and simply head over, search for any good VPN. So you can install a reliable VPN and bypass network restrictions. So just open the VPN, connect to a different server, and you're good to go. So the second step is using proxy sites. So what you can do is simply head over and search for proxy websites such as Hidester and Kproxy, etc., and you can use them. Step 3 is the Google Translate trick. So you can simply paste the Instagram URL into Google Translate, translate it from any language to English, and click the translated link. It often bypasses restrictions. Step 4 is using the IP address. So instead of typing instagram.com, you can simply try using Instagram's IP address directly. Sometimes the domain is blocked, but the IP isn't. Step 5 is use browser extensions. Add unblocking extensions such as UltraSurf. That is a really good one. That is UltraSurf. So, or you can use Hola VPN from the Chrome Web Store. So these tools route your traffic to help bypass blocks. And the step 6 is contact your IT department. So if Instagram is essential for a project or club, consider requesting access from your school's IT department. Be respectful and explain for your reason. So that's it. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.